In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create MySQL database in GoDaddy cPanel 2026. Creating database in GoDaddy server, by the end you'll have a brand new MySQL database, a user with the right permissions, and the details you need to connect your website or app. I'm using a standard GoDaddy cPanel hosting account in a desktop browser, and the process will look the same on most accounts. Start on your GoDaddy product page. Sign in if prompted, then head to your list of products. Look for your web hosting plan that mentions cPanel. If you have multiple hosting plans, double check you're selecting the one tied to the domain you want to use. Next to that hosting plan, click Manage to open the account dashboard. From the hosting dashboard, select cPanel This opens cPanel in a new tab. Give it a moment to load completely. You'll see a grid of icons grouped by category. We'll be working inside the Databases section. In the Databases section, choose MySQL Database Wizard. This tool walks you through the setup in a clean, guided flow. If you don't immediately see it, use the cPanel search bar at the top and type Wizard. Note that this is different from phpmyadmin. The wizard is for creating databases and users, while phpmyadmin is for managing tables and data later. First, create the database. Enter a short, clear name. cPanel typically adds a prefix to both database and usernames based on your account, so your final name may look like prefix database name. Make a note of the exact database name and click to continue. Next, create the database user. Choose a username, keeping in mind it will also include your account prefix. Generate a strong password using the built-in generator or a reputable password manager, and store it securely. You'll need this username and password anytime you connect your site or application to the database. Confirm the password and continue. At this point, keep a record of three things: the exact database name, the exact username, and the password. Now assign user privileges. For most content management systems and app installs, selecting all privileges is the simplest option and prevents permission errors. If you prefer tighter security for specialized use, you can check only the permissions your app needs, but all privileges is typically safe for new setups. Click to complete or finish the wizard. You should see a confirmation that the database and user were created and linked. Remember, the database host on GoDaddy cPanel is usually localhost. You can verify everything under MySQL databases in cPanel and manage data later with phpmyadmin. If you run into access denied errors, recheck the username format, password, and assign privileges, and that's it. Your MySQL database on GoDaddy cPanel is ready to use.